Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, we're down towards the Platte River and we're gonna fly the drone. Saw something out of the corner of my eye, so I was coming down here and decided I really wanted to fly this. Be kind of a neat little video, and it'll give me the opportunity to do something that Ken Herron just loves to do, which is fly underneath things. So if you haven't watched any of Ken Herron's videos, head over to his site. He does amazing drone footage and he's funnier than all you can get out. But I'm gonna go fly this bridge, make a video of that. Then, depending on time, we'll head down to the Platte River, which is about a quarter to a half mile further down from where I'm at, and fly that a little bit. If you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button, subscribe, and follow. Have a blessed day. Happy Jeeping, happy droning. Here we go. This was hairier than all I could get out. I was pretty scared I'd lost the drone going underneath here. What the video doesn't show is I was only under that bridge about 2 foot, so I wasn't over this little sandbar and these weeds like it's showing. But this is way too close for comfort for me. The drone tried landing there in the water as everything I could do to keep it from landing there and then not going up so far and fast to hit the bottom of the bridge. Fortunately, I was lucky enough to back it up and out and get it out of there. But I was scared I lost that drone on this. I think it's time to find someplace a little bit safer to practice some of these trick maneuvers. Well, that was about hairy. Still having issues connecting. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I'm gonna have to do a little research on that. Got it all to connect. When I've got the drone hover next to me, I'm able to get into the quick shots and do the droney shot or the rocket shot and all these other orbits and spirals. But when I'm flying the drone away from me, a good distance away, the screen won't open up to allow me to do that, and I'm not sure why. So a little confused on that. Got to do some research on it. I guess that's part of learning to fly. Light really wasn't as good as I'd hoped where I was at, but we'll find out how good the pictures are. And then I tried flying underneath the bridge, and I was getting pretty full of myself when I was doing that. Set the gimbal to the highest position so I knew that we would be good, and got down low, and there's flowing water underneath where I was at. It's like, well, this will be interesting. So I just started creeping. Well, the obstacle avoidance lights and beeps started going off, and then it tried gaining altitude to avoid it while it was underneath the bridge, and then it tried landing while it was underneath the bridge, and I was fortunately lucky enough to back it up from underneath the bridge and get it out of the danger area, because had it gone up, it'd hit the bridge and then fallen in the water. Had it landed, it'd landed in the water. So, and I'm driving by the bridge right now. There's a good 6 foot between the bottom of the bridge and the water level, so I know the drone had plenty of room. So I don't know if it was just the metal that was interfering with it or just my inexperience. So either way, didn't get the underwater or under bridge shot that I was hoping for. I'm hoping I got a couple good shots of it, but I won't know until I get on the computer tonight and do some editing. Hey, just want to give one quick shout out to Ken Herring on his channel. Couldn't resist, I saw this, so I figured I'd just have to say thanks for watching.